Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to buy FIFA World Cup 2026 tickets. Okay, now the first thing that you should do is to simply go and head to your browser and search for FIFA World Cup 2026 and head to FIFA.com. Then after navigating to FIFA.com, I want you to click on the FIFA on the top left side. So now you should head to these three horizontal lines, then go and click on the tickets. After doing that, here you have this option. You just need to scroll down a little bit, and here you have these three options. Just go for the first one on the left side, register your interest. And before we start, we need to know how the tickets work. So first ticket sale phase, which is Visa pre-sale draw, which is basically a lottery. So the dates is for this is between September the 10th and the 19th, 2025. And now the eligibility only Visa card holders, debit, credit, or prepaid, and how to participate. So from here, we need to go ahead and put in your email, then click on send sign-in code. So check your email for that sign-in code and you can go to FIFA sign in. So here you have your Gmail. You can copy this code, then go back, paste it right here, then click on sign in. And now you will have to provide the first name, last name, email, country of residence, gender, date of birth, preferred language, and check these boxes. Then hit the submit, and you're going to register your ticket today. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with a like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.